Hi, I'm Erin. Thanks for joining me for this Embroidery 101 French knot tutorial. The French knot is one of embroidery's most popular and beloved stitches. There's no limit to its applications, and it works best when using 2 to 6 strands of embroidery floss. French knots are notoriously tricky to unknot, so don't even bother. Just cut away any unwanted knots, and if you struggle or are new to French knots, begin with the new length of thread before starting to work on your project's knots. That way any mistakes can simply be cut away without affecting your other stitches. You'll need both hands for this, so either set your hoop on your lap or a table, or use a frame stand. Start by bringing your needle up through the fabric where you want your knot to be. Wrap the floss around the needle, and the number of times you wrap will determine the size of your knot. Wrap once for small knots, twice for medium knots, and 3 times for large chunky knots. Now push the needle halfway down into the fabric, not in the same hole you brought your needle up through, but directly next to it. Gently tug the thread to eliminate any slack and snug the knot close to the fabric surface. While keeping slight tension on the thread with your non-needle holding hand, slowly pull the needle and working thread down through the wraps and fabric to complete the French knot. I know this stitch can seem a little tricky at first, but keep practicing. I know you'll get the hang of it, and in no time it'll be one of your favorite stitches too. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe for more Embroidery 101 stitch tutorials. Leave any questions or comments you have in the comment section below. Stay tuned for new videos, and thank you so much for watching.